Flowers.
Yeah. Guys outside having a little play and cool down after a hot day. Getting squirted.
There we go.
Off he goes.
Up over his little hill. About a cheeky little water gun that we got from Sainsbury's a little while ago.
Oh!
Oh,
Off into the bushes.
You can get all muddy now. I can get you. Oh, I can get you.
Is Mummy playing with you, Milo? Oh! He's like, I'm not coming down there because I know what you're going to do. You're going to hide in the bushes? You're going to hide in the bushes? Ooh!
Not impressed.
No, Tessie's not in a playful mood.
Oh,
So I'm just going to stay out the way.
I'm gonna play with
Just
Milo.
stay out the way. No.
No, Melissa's being mean. She squirted me.
You're wet now, ain't you? All wet.
Oh, Milo's on his hill, wagging his tail. Mummy gonna come get you.
Oh, here he goes. Mummy being mean to you, Milo. Nowhere for you to run.
Oh, he loves it. Oh, it's a fun. At least they're getting used to water.
Yeah, he's getting all worn out as well. Mummy be throwing you in the pond next.
No. Dad would kill me. Now you're on your hill. I'm gonna get you.
Oh dear.
Oh, he's under the he's under the brush again.
You're probably going to hide out under there for the rest of the day now.
Oh, silly.
Milo! Milo! There he goes.
I go get you.
It's like, no you're not. We'll play hide and seek now. Yep. Milo, I know where you are. Let's see if we can find the beagle. Hiding away. Under there somewhere. Where is he, Tazza? Where is he? There he is. Oh, little beagle in the jungle. Is Mummy being mean to you? Is she being mean? Here he comes. No, he's soaking wet now. hiding. Where's Mummy gone? Where's she gone? Go on, go get her. Go find her. Gonna go find her. You're gonna go find her. Who was that? No. He said, screw you, I'm going back in the bush. He's like, now I'm staying near Daddy. Daddy's not going to get wet.
Oh, Mummy, go get you.
He's like, no, you're not. I got a cubby hole. Let's get out of here, Tazzy, before she ends up squirting us.
No, I will. Goodness, Milo. You don't want to play anymore. You're tired.
He's like, I'm all hot and bothered. I'm going in the shade.
Supposed to cool you down.